Welcome back to the channel. We're at this lovely property here in Oxfordshire, and today we're installing solar PV, battery storage and also air conditioning to the top floor. We've got the whole team here, so let's take a look at what they're doing. We have solar PV being fitted on the garage roof as well. These are a concrete roof tile, and these are a lot easier than the slate going up on the house. And as we move through the installation, you'll see the difference in the time it takes to install the mounting system for the garage compared to the slate on the house. So we're up on the main roof of the property, and up here, this is the slate roof. And we're choosing to use the Genius Speed Flash mounting system. This does reduce the time of the installation compared to traditional methods for slate roof, but it still takes a lot longer than the concrete roof tile that you've seen over on the garage. So we're in the garage right now, and there was a little bit of work ahead of time for the project starting today, and that was converting the house from a single phase supply to a three-phase supply. So we assisted the customer in facilitating that, and now this is where the DNO has brought the three-phase feed coming into the property. Historically, the single phase was directly into the house. So I'm over in the main property, and in this cupboard here was where the original single phase DNO supply was brought in. But because that is now been removed and we have a three-phase supply over in the garage, that required us to bring in a three-phase sub-main on this SWA armoured cable back through to the property to provide power to the whole house. But prior to that, we had to carry out an electrical installation condition report, because we had to ascertain the condition of the existing electrical installation before we replaced the single phase consumer unit for this three-phase distribution board. So we're back over in the garage, and what you can see on the wall here is the SIG Energy gateway. Essentially, this is fed from the grid, and it comes back out of this unit to feed the whole house. In the event of a power cut, this will jump in and provide uninterrupted power to our customer. So we're in one of the bedrooms, and this is where one of the aircon systems is being fitted. The wall bracket has been already installed up on the wall here, and due to all the pipework needing to go up into the loft first, every single indoor unit is going to be fitted with some containment trunking to the right hand side. That is going to contain the pipework and the wiring, which will go up into the loft, and we'll show you how that's going to be routed a bit later on. So we're now at the back of the garage, and this is the gable end where the SIG Energy system is fitted. This is made up of 3 of the latest 10.0 battery modules, which 3 of them make up a total of around 27 kilowatts usable capacity. On top is the energy controller, and that is where all the solar panels connect into. So this is the indoor aircon unit for the landing, and as you can see to the right hand side, there's no containment for the condensation pump. Let's jump to the other side and take a look at what we've done. So this is the aircon unit here for this office space, and to the right hand side is the condensation pump, but over this side is the containment for the condensation pump for the landing unit. So just hopped up into the loft space and taking a look at what has been installed up here. Lots of basket containment, which is supporting all of the associated pipework, wiring and drainage for the indoor units. Down that far end is the master bedroom. Then we've got landing, office, a bedroom unit rising up over there, and this is the last bedroom here. These will go out to the far gable end, which on the other side of the wall is where the 2 outdoor units have been fitted. So all of these indoor units have made their way out that end of the property. So we're back up on the main roof of the property here, and our team has completed the installation of these panels. There's 20 in total. These will feed back to the system over in the garage, along with the 4 panels on the roof over there. So that's the end of the video. Our installers have got a few more bits to finish off, a bit more cabling to get back to the right places. Then they can move on to the final commissioning of the solar PV and battery storage system. The aircon has got the feed to be put in, and then once that's connected, the system can be energized and the commissioning for that can be completed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.